Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content now we're gonna talk about Ether. We're gonna take a look at Ether BTC on the macro scale, and we're also gonna talk about Ethereum USD, and are we gonna be able to see prices higher than 4K in May, or are we gonna be getting some sort of rejection over the next like a few weeks and so on, right? So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to join our public Telegram group. Link in the description. If you're looking to join our premium group, you can also join the premium group through Discord, right? So now let's take a look at Ether in terms of rejection and bottom formation first, before we talk about our next leg. Big rejection back in June 18th 2017, when Ether pumped all the way up to like a 0.15 BTC, and after that you can notice like we've been struggling basically to get a nice bottom formation. Whenever we basically dump hard, we tend to pump back up, but tend to get another basically nasty drop, all the way down to like a 0.015 BTC. So almost over 90% drop since like June 2017, right? So if you take a look at it in terms of bottom formation, it seems like we're getting a leading diagonal right here. Okay, so we got a 5-wave move to the upside, very nasty in terms of a wave analysis. You could just look at it as a leading diagonal. 0.618 pullback, just about like a 0.022 right here. If you take a look at it from swing low to swing high in terms of Fibonacci, 0.618 was right here, is right here, just about like a 0.022. And 0.022 is very important because that's when we bottomed back in December, late December 23rd, when alt dumped hard, right? And most people started to panic. If you notice well, that's when Ether basically just took off. Okay, and Ether price in USD back then was just about like right here, was just about right here $700, right there. Okay, because right there we were basically long in Ether, been accumulating Ether, just about $400 all the way up to $700, and we were just waiting for the parabolic move. But that time we could not get a parabolic move because BTC was going parabolically, and Ether basically needed to take a break right here. So a beautiful move, right? 5-wave impulsive, not impulsive, but leading diagonal right here. 3-way move down. In terms of wave analysis, we did get a nice WXY correction to the downside, found a support right here. Now we're creating another impulse move to the upside. The target we could be looking for in terms of BTC, we could be looking for almost 1.618 extension. Okay, what I mean by 1.618 extension, we could be looking for 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if we do a swing high to swing low, right, we could be looking for a potential move all the way up to 0.1 Ether right there. Okay, so 0.1 Ether in terms of the reversal pattern, that's what we're gonna be looking for, right? In terms of basically a pullback, right? We could be looking for just about like a 0.04, 0.064. 0.064 going to be our temporary resistance right here. But in terms of a leading diagonal and the wave 3, we're going to be looking for right here, guys, right there. Okay, and if you notice well, 0.01, it is almost just about the December 2017 high right there. Okay, January 2017 high. Okay, so something to keep in mind. We could look at it in two ways. Okay, the first way of looking at it is going to be just some sort of pullback. You could, if you want to be bearish at 0.618, you could, right? But it is extremely bullish. So the best thing to do, I think, like it is just to basically be looking at it in terms of impulsive wave, and we're going to be looking for up to 0.618, 1.618 extension up to basically 0.1 Ether, 0.1 BTC. So 0.1 BTC. Okay, how are we going to be translating it in terms of USD, right? So if you take a look at it, if we're going to be pumping all the way up to 0.1 Ether, that's going to give us nearly, guys, 70% pump, 65 to 70% pump, right? So 75 to 70% pump from our current price level, just about like a 33.55. We could be looking for right here. okay, just about like a 55, okay, $5,500, right? So 5,500. So it is going to be crucial, right? It is extremely bullish in terms of BTC. At the same time, it is extremely bullish in terms of USD. So in terms of USD, you know, 5,500, you know, could be just a temporary rejection. Once again, guys, it is not going to be a price rejection. We could be looking for our you know, our basically a Fibonacci rejection, which is going to be at 0.786. Remember, we talked about Ether rejection just about like a $1,400, right? And the next rejection was going to be at $2,500, and next rejection going to be at, you know, $6,000. $4,000, it is just a psychological number we just have to respect, right? But it is likely to break it. Are we going to be able to break it in May? That's going to be very challenging, but anything can happen. The most important is like just to stay with the trend. I think like bull is going to be smart enough, right, just to stay with the trend and not try to basically flip bearish as soon as we hit you know, 4K area, because we got another macro target up to basically $6,000 over the next like a few weeks and so on, right? All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover for Ether. If you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join my public Telegram group. Link in the description. If you want to join the premium group for these macro targets, you know, VChain, Tron, Neo, Litecoin is killing it right now. Link is killing it. We got some crazy target for Link, Litecoin. Tezos is basically up 16%, right, on the day, and all that good stuff. You can definitely join the Discord group, link in the description. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.